we're heading out on the boat and we're going to try to catch gummy and anything else, like maybe snapper or keys. We'll see if we can get some. I've never fished in the ocean before, but today I'm out here with my dad and we're going to see if we can get a few things out in the ocean. Alrighty, we're set. Go to our bait and rigs. Here we are. You made it. We successfully launched it. It's in the water. It's a little bit choppy, but we'll work with it. Should be right. Alrighty, we got the motor going. Had some technical difficulties, but we got there in the end. A little bit windy, but it might die down a bit. Let's go. Rocky. I think once we get out there, we'll be a bit calmer. Yeah, they're back. Oh my god. I swear. It's starting to get a little bit calm out here, which is nice. You've got to drop down really far when you're fishing out here, I've noticed. Like I didn't get bites when I dropped down a couple of meters, but gotta go down pretty far. I'm on. Oh, it's small, but I think it's something. Oh, I think I'm off. No? Yeah. Oh, munched it. Absolutely went nuts on it. Look at that. It's alright, we'll go again. Oh, we're on. Dad's on. Something good?
Something.
Got the net ready. Wonder what it is. Let's see. Come on, come up. Ooh, it's way down there.
Oh, down for a run.
Oh, Jesus. What is it?
Slow, careful. Just move.
Oh, I think it's a cod. You can't reel anymore, Dad. You're at your leader. Holy oh, monster! Yeah, we're very new to ocean fishing. What is this thing? Like, I don't quite know what that is. It's ginormous.
Might be a groper.
Yeah, it could be a groper. Oh, we're hooked onto something stupid big right now. This is going to take a while.
It's alright, just bit by bit. If it needs to go for a little run, let it.
Oh, it's gone.
It's okay.
This is something stupid big.
It's alright. Go up a bit, take your time. Oh, did it get off?
Yeah, he got off.
Oh no.
Bugger.
I wonder if it bit off the
Might have.
leader.
Yeah, I think we're on. Yeah, we're on. It's small, but it's a fish. There we go. Oh, beautiful. Very beautiful fish. Look at that.
Beautiful. Look at the top wrasse to it.
I think so. That's beautiful. Very nice.
Nice job. Look at that.
Decent size too.
Lovely one. Yeah, that's got to be 30 or so, yeah? I think
Yeah.
it's supposed to be 30.
Yeah. Very happy for the first fish. Oh, getting something on the other rod here. I'll hold that.
You grab that.
Getting something here too.
Biting. Just gentle, go gentle first.
Getting something on this one.
Lift a little, see if there's something on there.
I don't think there is. Oh, maybe. Oh, yeah.
Big bite. Might be on there.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yep. Yep, we're on.
Right.
I think that's small. Very small. But. Oh, I think it got off. Oh, it did get off.
Yeah, never mind. Let me throw it back in.
Yeah, anyway. Anyways. All happening out here. I think I'm onto that big thing I had before. Oh, yeah. Jesus. Oh! Oh my god, it's pulling. Come up. Not too hard. Yeah, no, I got it.
That's decent.
Oh! Ah.
Snap the line just bit by bit.
Oh.
That's a lot of bend for a short rod.
Oh my jeez. I don't know if I can reel it up faster than it can.
That's right, we'll just go gentle.
Yeah, oh god.
Gentle,
Hold on.
gentle.
I got it.
Yeah.
Oh, it's off.
It's off.
I think it was 2 on 1 because I lost one of them and then I still had a little bit more weight. Yeah, we're on. Just pulled down. Oh my god. It's big, it's big. Please don't get off. Went for a little bit of a run then. It's fighting weird. Come on, come up. Oh,
Another beautiful.
another wrasse. Beauty. That's a very beautiful one.
That's nice.
No, that is.
So, yeah.
Look at that. Very nice.
Beautiful.
Put up a nice fight. Sweet, another one on the board. Yeah, very nice. Oh, Jesus.
Yeah, 35 again.
Very nice. 35. Another little wrasse.
Right.
We're only going to give it another 10-15 minutes and then we're going to head in. I'm pretty happy with this outcome so far. So that's, yeah, it's great. Oh, another cod. Not cod, sorry. Wrasse. Oh, it's like his first one. Look at that thing.
Wow.
Look at that.
What a beautiful thing.
Look at that thing. Absolute monster. Here we are. We have made it. Very nice. Heading up.